I was at a fair when I was younger and had won this poster of a '57 Chevy, and it was always on my bedroom wall. It was my dream car, so my goal was always to obtain one and have that '57 Chevy. The poster that I had was really similar to this vehicle. It was a turquoise color, and I just loved the look of it, and I just always wanted to have one. I'm Kelsey Bugjo, Public Relations and Content Marketing Manager at Speedway Motors, and this is my 1957 Chevy Bel Air. I think I bought it in like 2001, 2002, in that range, and then it took about 10 years to completely restore. When I bought it, it was a numbers matching car, and since the engine was already redone and ready to go, I just thought, restoring it back to original was the best way to go. It was a complete off-frame restoration. I just remember sitting there with my dad and bagging and tagging things, just completely disassembling the vehicle. Every nut and bolt is restored to original. The hardest part about the restoration was just all the surprises. It needed a lot of body work. So it has new quarter panels, new door skins, new front fenders, and a new floor. So lots of body work. It was also a different color. Tropical Turquoise and Indian Ivory were the original colors that the car was back in 1957. So it's truly restored to that. The fins on a 1957 Chevy are really iconic, so I love that. I love the interior, just the fabric. When I bought the car, it came with boxes and boxes of classic Chevy International, all the way back from the time that I was born up into the 90s, so just tons of boxes. And so I think that's probably where most of the learning came from, and kind of proof that content works. And I still have all of those issues because it's truly part of the car. There was never a point when, I was ready to give up because it was my dream car. I was just gonna push through and make it, the way that I wanted it because I planned to keep it forever. The first drive after I had it done, it was really nerve-wracking because I finally had my dream car and I didn't, want anything to happen to it. It's not just a car, it's truly a work of art. I just love the look of classic cars, and art is also sort of my hobby, and so it kind of plays into that. When I drive this car, I just really feel like I accomplished my goal. I set out to obtain my dream car, and I found one and restored it, and so it's just a sense of accomplishment.